Welcome to Shreya Plasto Bathware Private Limited, a proud part of the Plasto Group, India's trusted name in water tanks, pipes and fittings. Established in 2020 and spread across 2.8 acres in Nagpur's Hingna MIDC industrial area, Shreya Plasto stands as a new benchmark in the manufacturing of premium faucets and bath fittings. At the heart of Shreya Plasto lies a fully integrated and automated manufacturing ecosystem driven by advanced technology, in-house innovation and strict quality control. From state-of-the-art VMC machines and automated gravity die casting systems to high-speed CNC and lathe setups, every process is engineered for precision, efficiency and long-term durability. Our in-house design and R&D team continuously develops new materials, technologies and designs. Our 48-tank automated plating line delivers unmatched shine and corrosion resistance. Complementing the manufacturing process is our advanced quality testing laboratory, ensuring consistent product performance, reliability and flawless finishing. While special-purpose assembly machines ensure uniformity and consistency in every product. And here's the man behind this grand vision, Mr. Sparsh Agrawal, Managing Director of Shreya Plasto, a young and dynamic leader who took on the responsibility of shaping the brand's future and an inspiration for today's aspiring entrepreneurs. Every great product begins with the finest ingredients. Our process starts with composition-calibrated premium brass ingots and gradient-controlled quartz sand. The brass is melted under controlled temperatures and transformed into precisely engineered components through advanced casting processes. This controlled melting and forming ensures strength, consistency and structural integrity at every stage, laying the groundwork for superior performance, durability and long-lasting quality. Every Shreya Plasto product passes through one of India's most advanced 48-tank automated plating lines. Our 4-layer chrome plating system with an average thickness of over 20 microns delivers exceptional brilliance, corrosion resistance and long-term durability. The process includes a strike nickel layer for strong base adhesion, a bright nickel layer for rich shine, a thick chrome layer for surface protection and a hydrophobic layer that enhances water resistance and easy maintenance. Post-plating, components undergo multi-stage grinding and precision finishing to remove imperfections and refine surface accuracy. This is followed by expert polishing, where skilled craftsmen enhance every contour to achieve a smooth, mirror-like finish. Finally, precision assembly brings every element together, ensuring consistency, strength and reliable performance in every finished product. Our German design spindle, built with 95% ceramic discs and a 3-layer leak protection, delivers long-lasting leak-free operation. At Shreya Plasto, our in-house testing laboratories are equipped with advanced pressure testing systems. Every product undergoes rigorous endurance testing of over 5 lakh operating cycles, along with 500 plus hours of salt spray testing in a controlled salt deposition chamber, ensuring superior resistance to corrosion and long-term durability. Precision thickness checks. Dual pneumatic air tests for complete leak-proof assurance further ensure that every faucet meets and exceeds industry standards. Each design is developed with user performance in mind, from precision-engineered aerators in our bath fittings that ensure smooth, abundant water flow to thoughtfully crafted sanitary ware, such as wash basins and commodes that combine comfort, functionality and lasting aesthetics. Together, every product reflects our commitment to design excellence and complete customer satisfaction. With a monthly production capacity of up to 3 lakh units and a team of over 200 skilled professionals, and continuous training keeps Shreya Plasto's workforce aligned with the latest manufacturing practices. Every product is carefully packed using eco-friendly protective materials to ensure safety and sustainability. Finished goods are systematically stored and inventory managed before being dispatched through a robust logistics network, ensuring reliable and timely delivery. श्रेया प्लास्टो बाथवेयर प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। प्लास्टो है तो गारंटी है।